Anyone here? Let's go. How's it going, Airsofties? Welcome back to the channel, and today I've got another Olight product to review. This is the Baton Turbo. This Baton Turbo is one of the Olight's newest product. Without further ado, let's open this up. Okay, right out the gate, pretty straightforward. So in the box, you will have a Baton Turbo, of course. The flashlight is wrapped in a plastic bag pretty nicely. Let's go have a look and see what hiding behind. Oh, okay, it's quite packed. So much going on here. Let's do it one by one then. First off, a magnetic charging cable. Secondly, a pouch. I don't think it's a leather, but it's nicely done. I'm quite curious about this one. I have no idea at first, until I take it out. This looks like a battery adapter to me, don't you think? Seems like you can put a CR123 battery into it. Anyway, let's just put that away. And what else? A lanyard. It's coming very handy, so you can hook it on your flashlight or your phone if you so choose. It will probably save your day. Moving on. The last but not least. Now, let's take a closer look of the Baton Turbo. Okay, nice. Look, it's so tiny, but it's real robust. Let's just, nice. The design of the Baton Turbo is very posh. Press the button to review output level and the battery level. The Baton Turbo has 5 output levels: Moonlight, Low, Medium, High, and Turbo. So here is a Baton 3. Let's do a quick size comparison. The Baton 3 become a little brother now. That's it for today. I'll see you next time. I'm just joking. Let's head outside and see how it performs. Okay, we are outside, and as you can see, we are completely pitch black out here. Baton Turbo on. Alright, I'm not saying anything, you be the judge. Trying different outputs. The Baton Turbo also has the strobe mode by pressing the button 3 times. Look away if you have epilepsy. Let's do a quick comparison with the Baton 3 and Baton Turbo. The Baton Turbo clearly has more throw. See the difference? I'm standing at the end of the alley. This is insanely bright. The maximum output for the Baton Turbo is 1000 lumens and 500 meters throw. IPX8 water resistant. Working temperature at -40 degrees. Weight about 90 grams, including a battery. 5-year warranty. If you're interested, they're now doing Olight 4 event 2024. During the event, most of the Olight products will be cheaper, like the Baton Turbo. You will get 40% off. If you're a new customer, you will get free gifts too. I beg your pardon? You want more? Okay then, take this. Enter Q9 to get extra 5% off. So now you got 45% off for your purchase. Thank me later. Okay, final verdict for the Baton Turbo. From Olight, I guess there's nothing more to say. It is a tiny powerhouse. Small package with a big punch. For me, this is a ultimate form for the EDC flashlight. It worth every single penny. Don't forget to take advantage of the discount code PEW9. Now go have fun with your shopping.